The ketogenic diet has taken the health and wellness world by storm, captivating individuals seeking effective weight management and overall well-being. This dietary approach, often referred to simply as keto, has gained immense popularity due to its unique method of transforming the body's metabolism. This essay aims to provide a comprehensive understanding of the ketogenic diet, exploring its underlying mechanisms, potential benefits, and essential considerations. By delving into the science behind keto, we will uncover how this diet works at a cellular level and why it has become a go-to for many seeking a healthier lifestyle. Whether you're a health enthusiast or simply curious about this popular dietary approach, this guide will equip you with the knowledge to make informed decisions about your health journey. We will break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand information, ensuring that you have a clear grasp of what the ketogenic diet entails. Many people struggle with traditional weight loss methods, often finding themselves caught in a cycle of restrictions and cravings. These conventional diets can be difficult to maintain, leading to frustration and a sense of failure. The ketogenic diet offers an alternative that may help break this cycle. The ketogenic diet presents a unique approach by shifting the body's primary fuel source from carbohydrates to fat. This process, known as ketosis, involves the liver converting fats into ketones, which then serve as an efficient energy source for the body and brain. This metabolic switch offers a range of potential benefits, extending beyond weight loss to encompass improved blood sugar control and enhanced cognitive function. Many individuals report increased mental clarity and sustained energy levels throughout the day, making it easier to stay focused and productive. However, like any dietary change, embarking on the ketogenic diet requires careful consideration and personalized guidance. It's important to understand that while keto can be highly effective, it may not be suitable for everyone. Individual health conditions and dietary needs must be taken into account. This essay will delve into the potential risks and emphasize the importance of consulting a healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes. We will discuss common concerns such as nutrient deficiencies, the keto flu, and long-term sustainability. By understanding the science behind the ketogenic diet, its potential advantages, and potential drawbacks, you can make empowered decisions about your health and well-being. Knowledge is power, and being well-informed will help you navigate the complexities of dietary choices with confidence. This essay will serve as a valuable resource as you navigate the world of nutrition and explore whether the ketogenic diet aligns with your individual health goals. We hope to provide you with the tools and insights needed to embark on a successful and informed health journey. The ketogenic diet, often referred to as keto, is a low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet that has gained significant popularity in recent years. This diet has been embraced by many for its potential benefits in weight loss, improved mental clarity, and increased energy levels. But what exactly makes this diet so effective, and how does it work on a scientific level? By drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and replacing it with fat, the body enters a metabolic state known as ketosis. This process involves a significant shift in how the body sources its energy, moving away from glucose derived from carbohydrates to fats. In this state, the body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy instead of relying on glucose from carbohydrates. This efficiency is particularly beneficial for those looking to lose weight, as it encourages the body to utilize stored fat. The standard ketogenic diet typically consists of about 70 to 80% fat. This high fat intake is crucial because it provides the necessary energy and helps maintain the state of ketosis. 20 to 25% protein is included in the diet to support muscle maintenance and other bodily functions. Protein is essential for repairing tissues and supporting metabolic processes, and 5 to 10% carbohydrates. This minimal carbohydrate intake is what triggers the body to enter ketosis, as it no longer has sufficient glucose to use for energy. This macronutrient ratio is key to achieving and maintaining ketosis. It's a delicate balance that requires careful planning and monitoring to ensure the body remains in this fat-burning state. When carbohydrates are restricted, the body turns to stored fat as its primary energy source. This shift not only aids in weight loss, but also helps in stabilizing blood sugar levels, which can be beneficial for individuals with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. This metabolic shift distinguishes the ketogenic diet from traditional low-fat diets. While low-fat diets focus on reducing fat intake, the ketogenic diet emphasizes fat as the main energy source, which can lead to different health outcomes. Instead of relying on glucose, the body turns to ketones, which are produced by the liver from the breakdown of fat. These ketones serve as an alternative fuel source, especially for the brain, which typically relies on glucose. These ketones become the primary fuel source for the brain and muscles, leading to a variety of physiological changes. Many people report improved mental clarity and sustained energy levels throughout the day. Understanding the science behind the ketogenic diet is crucial for those considering this dietary approach. It's not just about cutting carbs. It's about a complete metabolic transformation that can have profound effects on health and well-being. By grasping the fundamental principles of carbohydrate restriction, fat adaptation, and ketone production, individuals can make informed decisions about whether the ketogenic diet aligns with their health goals and lifestyle. This knowledge empowers people to tailor their dietary choices to achieve optimal health outcomes. To fully comprehend the ketogenic diet's impact, it's essential to understand how our bodies generate energy. Our bodies are like complex machines requiring a constant supply of fuel to function optimally. This fuel primarily comes from the food we consume daily. Typically, carbohydrates from our food are broken down into glucose, which enters the bloodstream and serves as the primary energy source for our cells. Glucose is a simple sugar that is easily accessible and quickly utilized by our cells to produce energy. However, when carbohydrate intake is drastically reduced, as in the ketogenic diet, the body must find an alternative fuel source. This reduction forces the body to look for other ways to meet its energy demands. This is where the liver plays a pivotal role. The liver is an incredibly versatile organ, responsible for numerous vital functions, including the production of ketone bodies. With limited glucose available, the liver begins a remarkable process of converting stored fat into ketone bodies, primarily acetoacetate, beta-hydroxybutyrate, and acetone. This process is known as ketogenesis. These ketone bodies are then released into the bloodstream and travel throughout the body, providing energy to cells, including those in the brain. The brain, which typically relies heavily on glucose, can adapt to use ketones as an efficient energy source. This metabolic shift from glucose to ketones as the primary energy source is the hallmark of the ketogenic diet. It signifies a fundamental change in how the body fuels itself. This adaptation doesn't happen overnight, though. The body needs time to adjust to this new way of generating energy. It typically takes a few days to a week for the body to fully transition into ketosis after significantly reducing carbohydrate intake. During this period, individuals may experience symptoms often referred to as the keto flu, which include fatigue, headaches, and irritability. The transition to ketone reliance triggers a cascade of physiological changes that contribute to the ketogenic diet's potential benefits. These changes include improved mental clarity, increased energy levels, and enhanced fat loss. Understanding this fundamental shift in energy utilization is crucial for grasping the broader impact of the ketogenic diet on various bodily functions. By comprehending how the body adapts to using ketones instead of glucose, we can better appreciate the potential health benefits and challenges associated with this dietary approach. While the ketogenic diet offers numerous potential benefits, it's essential to be aware of the initial adjustment period, often referred to as the keto flu. As the body transitions from burning glucose to ketones, some individuals may experience flu-like symptoms such as fatigue, headaches, nausea, and constipation. These symptoms are typically mild and tend to subside within a few days to a week as the body adapts to its new fuel source. The keto flu is thought to be caused by electrolyte imbalances, dehydration, and the body's adjustment to lower insulin levels, which can affect fluid balance. To minimize the effects of the keto flu, it's crucial to stay adequately hydrated by drinking plenty of water and replenishing electrolytes lost through increased urination. Consuming bone broth and incorporating electrolyte-rich foods like avocados, spinach, and almonds can also help alleviate these initial symptoms. Understanding and being prepared for the potential onset of the keto flu can make the transition to the ketogenic diet smoother. It's essential to listen to your body, stay hydrated, replenish electrolytes, and be patient as your body adapts to this new way of fueling itself.